Listen to this inspiration, please. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for support and for more videos from my channel. You can't remain the same and expect to become all you are destined to be. You will have to outgrow all smallness. You will have to embrace change. Change comes with discomfort. It may be difficult, but it's necessary. Growth may be painful, but there is nothing as painful as staying stuck in where you are used to and not striving to reach where you truly belong. Often it's your biggest pain that causes you to grow to your highest self, but the pain doesn't last forever. When it's gone, you have growth to show for it. If you truly desire greatness, don't expect it to come easy. If it's the top you are going to, don't expect an easy climb. Everyone wants to be great until they discover what it takes. Everyone wants to be a success until they catch a glimpse of the process. Nothing great comes easy. Life won't always give you what you want, not because you don't deserve it, but because there are prices you must pay and sacrifices you must make. And until you decide to give it all it takes, it will never be yours. The journey won't be easy, the path won't be straight. There will be obstacles on the road, there will be mountains to climb and great pain to endure. But if you've captured the success you desire in the eyes of your mind, it becomes more easy to endure the process. What can you see? How far can you imagine? Picture the greatness you desire. Capture the reality of your dreams, then come to the present and pay the price. Nothing great in life comes easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. If it was cheap, everyone would have been great. Take it one step at a time. Find joy in your journey. Be at peace with your process. Higher is calling. Don't settle where you are. Always strive to become you. Progress stops. Greatness is aborted when you become satisfied. You are a creature of habits. You create your habits, then your habits create you. You don't decide your future. You decide your habits, and your habits decide your future. You must understand that you become what you repeatedly do. Whatever it is you do, if you do it long enough, you will become very good at it. Whatever you become good at has the power to lift you up or cast you down. It can empower you or destroy you. You choose. Choose what you do carefully. You can tell what you will become. You can predict your future simply by observing what you do daily. Choose your habits wisely. Again, I say, they create your future. You are a creature of habits. To live the life God has destined you to live, you must intentionally break negative habits and embrace the positive ones. If there is anything I have learned from life, it is that you can make anything happen if you do it long enough.